Guys, you know what I said in one of a videos? This was everybody, I'm gonna post these videos of all of the game modes, okay? Until they release these ones. Okay, fam? Bye-bye! Hello, guys. We're gonna play all of them right now. Well, not all of them. I cannot do one of the not released updates. It's still on conduction. This is phase 5. That's orange. I have to unlock all of these cars. Look at this when I pick this. Look. No ads available. Please try again later. And who's this? Winner. Oh, wax and sky. To the next one. This is one of the Mustard Sprunky. I made a video of it, but I accidentally deleted. So here's all of them. And another one. Did you know, guys, Mustard Gray and talks from the Mustard Sprunky, Mustard Gray and talks from the Pyramid Sprunkies. You can hear the same sound. I didn't know that until I found a video of it. This is Mr. Fun Computer. Yeah, soft sound. Because this mod likes everyone likes Mr. Fun Computer when it's little fixed. Okay. Hi guys, we're gonna play all of these mods when I release another video. You can see some